Are you looking for the best treadmills for heavy person? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Soul Fitness F85 Folding Treadmill. The Soul Fitness F85 Folding Treadmill is a high-weight capacity treadmill. It can handle up to 400 pounds user weight. In fact, the F85 treadmill is the top folding treadmill in the Soul line. The Soul F85 folding treadmill uses a 4 horsepower motor that goes up to a top speed of 12 miles per hour. This treadmill can also incline up to 15%. There's no doubt, this is a commercial gym quality treadmill. The frame on the Soul F85 treadmill is steel and features a lifetime warranty on both the frame and motor. Plus, the deck has a lifetime warranty. Finally, there is a 5-year warranty on the electronic components and 2 years on labor. The electronics include 10 workout programs, a chest strap, and a pulse grip. There are 8 built-in workout programs, and 2 can be user customized. The large 9 display shows all your workout stats. These include time, speed, distance, incline, calories, and pace. One unique feature of this treadmill is a 1/4 mile track workout option that displays on the screen. Plus, there are built-in speakers so you can listen to your favorite playlists. Also, there are cooling fans to keep you comfortable while you exercise. The Soul F85 treadmill has a belt size of 22W×60D. That's a large running surface. The actual treadmill measures L×85, W×37, and H×58. Soul Fitness uses a special shock absorption technology for whisper quiet operation and no vibration. Finally, the deck folds up by itself and locks into place. Number 2. Sunny Health & Amp Fitness T7643 Treadmill. Here's the best heavy-duty treadmill for small spaces. The Sunny Health & Amp Fitness T7643 Treadmill is a compact, folding treadmill. This treadmill is designed for users weighing up to 350 pounds. The running surface on this heavy-duty treadmill measures 19.5 W×44.5D. The treadmill itself measures L×60.5, W×32, and H×52. It's easy to fold up, and it has transportation wheels to help move it to storage. The T7643 treadmill features large, easy-to-read buttons and controls. There are 2 large cup holders, plus a spot for your tablet or phone. The display provides all the stats you need. These include distance, speed, and calories burned. Finally, the Sunny Health & Amp Fitness T7643 treadmill has a soft drop system that lets the deck lower itself to the floor. Number 3. Ksports Treadmill. Here's a treadmill with a built-in sit-up rack, a mat, and included dumbbells. The Ksports Treadmill is compact with a 16.5 W×45D running surface. The treadmill itself measures L×60, W×27, and H×47. This is one of the most compact treadmills in this guide. This treadmill has Bluetooth connectivity, a USB port, and a port for your MP3 player. There are 12 preset workout programs. The clear, easy-to-read screen displays all your workout stats, such as time, speed, calories burned, incline, and distance. Included is the FitsHow Smart app to manage your workouts and stats. The 2.5 horsepower motor has a top speed of 10 miles per hour and 15 levels of incline. The deck is cushioned to reduce impact. Finally, the Ksports treadmill folds and moves easily for storage. Number 4. ProForm Pro 2000 Smart Treadmill. This treadmill also includes a 30-day trial iFit family membership. iFit features both live and on-demand workout programs. The family membership can add up to 5 users for any exercise equipment you own. There are elite trainers that adjust your exercise equipment accordingly. Also, the trainers can auto-adjust your speed, incline, and decline settings. The large 1/0 display lets you easily follow along with any workout. It also tracks all your workout stats. Besides what the trainer control, these include time, distance, and calories burned. Also, there's a large cool air fan to help you stay cool during your toughest treadmill workouts. Besides being auto-controlled by trainers, the speed and decline/incline settings are user-controlled by the touch of a button. The quiet Mach Z 3.5 CHP motor goes up to 12 miles per hour, so you can work up to your top speed potential. Finally, the running surface measures to 0W×60D. The Pro 2000 treadmill measures LX77, WX35, and HX59. As noted, the ProForm Pro 2000 easily handles up to 300 pounds user weight. Number 5. NordicTrack T6.5C Treadmill. The NordicTrack T6.5C Treadmill is our pick for the best smart treadmill for heavy people. The T6.5C includes a free 30-day iFit membership. You can choose studio or global workout programs. There are also trainer-led live workouts. In each case, your iFit trainer can auto-adjust your decline, incline, and speed. The large 1.0 display screen is a touchscreen. It displays your stats for easy progress tracking. Stats tracked include time, calories burned, distance, incline, and speed. Plus, there is Bluetooth connectivity. The NordicTrack treadmill has a quiet motor with a top speed of 10 miles per hour and a 10% incline. Also, there is a one-touch control for speed and one for incline level. The frame is made of alloy steel and has a 10-year warranty. In this case, the running surface measures to 0W×50D. The T6.5C Smart Treadmill measures LX67, WX36, and HX73. Finally, the NordicTrack treadmill has a space-saving design and folds up for storage.